Further down our list of the parts of speech, we have our prepositions. Prepositions show a relationship between a noun or a pronoun and the rest of the sentence. We have three main categories: time, place, and movement, as well as a miscellaneous category that doesn't fit the other three. Here we can have prepositions of time: before, during, in, at, or on. If I said, I work at 8 o'clock, I'm showing a relationship between the time, 8 o'clock, to the rest of the sentence. We have our prepositions of place: in, at, on, under, and between. If I said, the book is under the table, I'm showing a relationship between the table and the rest of the sentence. Then we have our prepositions of movement. These show movement towards, from, to, or through. I could say, he walked through the park. I'm relating the park to the rest of the sentence. Finally, we have our others: of, with, for, etc. I could say, this is a gift for Gary. Again, I'm showing a relationship between Gary and the rest of the sentence. Of course, the prepositions listed here are just a small example of all the prepositions.